Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic. What is the best definition of a credit score, especially in 2025? If you've ever wondered how lenders decide if you're a good risk or not, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, a credit score is essentially a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It's like a report card for your financial habits, summarizing how responsibly you've handled credit in the past. In 2025, with advancements in financial technology, credit scores are more dynamic than ever, often incorporating real-time data for a more accurate picture. So, what's the best way to define it? Think of it as a numerical summary ranging from 300 to 850, higher is better. It's calculated by credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion using algorithms such as the FICO score or Vantage score. These models look at key factors: your payment history, which is about 35% of your score, the amounts you owe, around 30%, the length of your credit history, about 15%, new credit inquiries, 10%, and the mix of credit types, like loans and cards, at 10%. Why does this matter? A good credit score can open doors to better interest rates on loans, easier approvals for mortgages, cars, or even apartments. In 2025, with rising economic uncertainties, maintaining a strong score could mean the difference between financial stability and struggle. For instance, someone with a score above 750 might snag a low-interest loan, while below 600 could face rejections or high fees. To improve your credit score, start by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and checking your credit report regularly for errors. Avoid opening too many new accounts at once, as that can temporarily ding your score. Remember, building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort. There you have it. The best definition of a credit score is a reliable indicator of your financial health that influences major life decisions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.